Good day, class. So our next chapter in physics is dimension. Analysis. So before we move into dimension deeply, there is a particular terms which is served as what the fundamental physical terms in dimension analysis. So without that term, you cannot understand dimension analysis. So I would like to first of all explain the words, the terms. And the term is known as what? Physical quantity. So physical quantity can be defined as a term that is used to describe the physical state of a matter. So physical quantity, we use it to what? To describe the physical state of a what? Of a matter. Like height of a man. Assume the height of a man is like height, like what? Weight. One. So the physical quantity is a quantity that we use to what? To describe the physical state of a what? Of a man, or of a substance, or of a matter. So, and when I'm referring to the what? I'm mentioning physical quantity, two items I need to be what? To be measured, or to be measured there. Like if we want to talk about what? My height. Assume that what? My height is 12 meter. So this 12 meter is representing my what? My height. So if you are talking about what? Physical quantity, two items need to be what? To be mentioned. The first item here, this 12, is served as what? Numerical value. The second item that needs to be mentioned is what? Unit. Likewise, if you want to consider my body weight, assume that what? My body weight is 95 kg. So this 95 that I'm adding as weight is served as what? Numerical value. This kg is served as what? As unit. So, like I said, physical quantity we use to what? To reverse to the physical state of what? Of a substance or a matter. We example of physical state of that is what? Height and what? And weight, and we have some other things too. The next thing is what? This physical state or physical quantity, sorry, can be classified into three groups. So, can be classified into how many groups? Let us look at it now. Classification of physical what? Classification of physical quantity. So, physical quantity can be grouped into what? Into two. The first one we have is we have for the what? For the mental quantity. And derive. for what? Quantity. After we have fundamental quantity and we have what? Derived what? Quantity. The next one we also have here is we have dimension quantity and we also have what? Dimensionless for what? Quantity. Dimension quantity and dimensionless what? Quantity. You can now see that what? Without fundamental quantity and derived quantity, you cannot get into the what? Dimension quantity. And the third one is scalar quantity and vector quantity. So let us take it one after the what? The other. So let us start from the what? Fundamental quantity. As the name implies, fundamental quantity, fundamental simply means basic. Basic means origin. Origin means what? Source or genesis. So this fundamental quantity, we can also call it what? Basic quantity. Basic what? Quantity. So fundamental quantity, they are basic quantity in which all other quantity we have in physics depend on. Basic quantity are what? Are fundamental what? Quantity in which what? All other quantity we have in physics they depend on. That is what? Basic quantity. And there are 5 or 6 basic quantity we have. The first one we we have mass is a basic quantity. And the unit for mass is kilogram. Mass is measured in what? In kilogram. And the symbol for mass is what? Kg. The next one we have is we have length. The unit for length is measured in what? In meter. And the symbol for meter is what? Is m. The next quantity we have time. The symbol or the unit for time is what? Seconds. And the symbol for the unit is what? Small letter x. The next one we have is current. The unit for current is ampere. And the symbol for ampere is A, capital letter A. The next one we have is temperature. And the unit for temperature is what? Is Kelvin. Is what? Kelvin. And symbol is what? Is K. We have amount of substance. And it is measured in what? In mole. The unit is what? N. The last one is luminous intensity. Is what? Luminous intensity, and it is measured in candela. See, these are the what? The six fundamental quantity we have in what? In physics. So all other quantity, they depend directly or indirectly on this what? Quantity.